No, wait. I got it. No. I lost. Thank you. These dogs are so... I couldn't handle your dog in this hole. I don't even know why I'm out here. It's like, I think the dogs had to go to the bathroom. Or is that water? No, that's... No, what is that? What is that? Okay. Thanks. No, stop! I don't think it was ugly. I think I heard it Hey, Misty, I want to cheer for Olivia, and we should do it on the team if she comes to win the game. Okay, just say it. Hey, Olivia, you're so black. Your pee is black. Woo! No, she's so ugly. I know, she needs to get rid of something. She her clothes. I mean, they're so boring. There is no color. I need to think out of the... Darn, what's your name? I don't know, but we should try that one goth chick and totally pull off totally awesome, totally cool prank on her. Wow, we should totally do that. It'll be like so funny. We can totally... I don't know. What's her name again? It starts with Misty? I mean... I know, why can't she wear colors? She wears freaking black all the freaking time. I mean, look at my color. I mean, I always ask for color. She doesn't have anything. Oh, she just wears a dull black color. Ew, what is this? It's like water or something. Ew, it's just like freaking stuff. Oh. Goth people totally freaking flip me off. I mean, really. No, I didn't do it. Hang on. Okay, cut. What the heck is yo? Oh my god. We should totally prank Olivia up so that she goes home and goes cry to my gothic mommy. Susie, why they put you on the cheer team? I have no idea. Okay, let me redo that. I said cheering. I know why they put me on there. Because the coach has a brother who's a boy, and he was running the tryouts, and it was new. Oh my gosh. Why did the lights go out? Ah! Who's that? Oh my gosh. Lucy? Robert? Lucy? Susie? I'm sorry, we're having technical difficulties with names here. Oops. That's just a train you hear rolling by. Let's all look out the window and look at the train. Oh yeah, I forgot we can't see it. Dimrod. Why did the lights go out? Oh my gosh. Lucy. I'm sorry, I can't get her name right. Yeah, Rick, yeah! Get him off us, get him off us, get him off us, get him off us! Put some knees all over. Go! Yeah, Trick, yeah! This is something we would like to call the pelvis. What about Brad? I'm so totally telling him, but nobody, I would never do that! Oh my god! It's Olivia! Ah! I'm gonna freaking nail! Hi, Teddy Kim. No, that's just the radio. Yes, this is your... Stop! Play too! Blooper!